my channel. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I am going to be recreating another Ladies Beautiful makeup. If you guys have not seen my last two videos, I also recreated someone's makeup. If you have not caught on to the theme of these videos, basically I'm recreating makeup looks done by people who have smaller pages. So whether it's a small Facebook page, a smaller Instagram, a smaller YouTube channel, whatever the case is, just people that do not have the recognition and exposure I feel like they deserve. So I kind of wanted to create this whole little series in honor of them and hopefully get these amazing artists a little bit more exposure out there into the industry. So for this video, the person's makeup that I'm recreating, her Instagram, she goes by Renee Kazarian. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but either way, you guys can see the spelling right here. This look really spoke to me because it's so dramatic on the eyes and the lips. Usually people play it safe one way or the other. So one thing's dramatic, the other thing is soft, whatever the case is, but she went all out both ways and I was living for it because I love me some dramatic makeup. So I'm just gonna jump right into this tutorial and let's get started, guys. So I'm gonna start with prepping my face and I'm gonna go in with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is by Bobbi Brown. My hair is still drying up, so that's why I didn't want to pin it back because I don't want it to create the wrong shape. So I just kind of have to let it be. Now to make sure that my skin is really hydrated, because you guys know I have dry skin, I'm gonna go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. It's so refreshing and this is so affordable. You guys can get it at Ulta. When I went to Ulta and I saw the prices, I couldn't believe it because it's such a popular product. Usually once everything becomes popular, the prices go up, but it's really affordable. So I recommend you guys go to Ulta and check that out. And it feels so good, so refreshing. For my foundation, I'm going in with the new foundation. It's the Cover FX Powerplay foundation. I've never used it before, so honestly, I don't even know what color belongs to me. So if the color looks a little off, you know exactly why, because I never tried it before. So let's see. What's the difference? I got a G60 and a G plus 60. What does that mean? We're gonna try, let's go with the G60 and let's see. Look a little dark. Oh no, let's see. It's a little orange, so I might have to go and find a lighter shade. Let's see the G plus 60, whatever that means. They're both a little orange. So what I'm gonna have to do, because I can't find the lighter one right now, I am just gonna start with this and then I'm gonna put a little bit of a lighter foundation, mix the two together, and then I should have a much better color match. Cause this, it's not working, no. Alright, this foundation's like really light, but hopefully it balances the orange out. This is the bareMinerals Bare Pro foundation, and this color is in Natural 11. It's looking a little better. You can just tell right here. Versus here, this side is a lot more orange. So this lighter foundation definitely balanced it out a little bit more. Moving on to my concealer, I'm going to be using the Dior Skin Undercover or Forever Undercover concealer in the color 031. set all the areas that have concealer, I'm going to be going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. We are going full on drama on the face. And lately, I've been baking around my lips, like around my mouth, because I get a lot of laugh lines throughout the day. And I found by me putting baking powder right where my smile lines are at, and then of course put like my face powder and all that, it doesn't crease as much. So it's been like my new thing lately. Once the powder sets for about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna be dusting it off, and it's basically just gonna be wiping off all the excess powder that my face didn't absorb. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna be going in with this tan powder by Wonder Beauty. To contour my face, I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Saddle bronzer to make me look a little snatched. My mirror is super dirty, but that's all right. We're gonna act like we didn't see that. For my blush, I'm going to be taking the NARS Wanted 2 palette, and I'm going to be taking that coral color and applying that to my cheekbones. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts, which is applying my highlighter. And I'm going to be using the Fuego highlighter by the Dose of Colors, Desi Perkins, and Katie collab. I don't think they sell this anymore because this collab is kind of old, but you might be able to find it. Some people be reselling products online, so you never know. You guys see that? Oh my Lord Jesus. On camera, you can see it, so just imagine in person. Now it's time to move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna get started with priming my lids with the same exact concealer that I used on my eyes. I really like using concealers as eye primers. Right now I'm gonna be going in with the Aspyn Ovard. Again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. And the Tarte Collaboration, and I'm gonna grab this color right here and apply that to my crease. Next, I'm gonna grab this color right here and apply that to my lid. It is the Foil Eyes 2 palette by BH Cosmetics. Now for my eyeliner, I'm actually going to be using a liquid lipstick. Sometimes I find when you're doing a bold color liner, it's best to use these liquid lipsticks because the pigment is so intense. So I'm going to be going in with the BH, what color is that? Gladys liquid lipstick. Alright, now that the liner is basically done, I'm going to be taking a purple eyeshadow now to kind of smoke that purple out a little bit. Alright, so now that that eye is done, I'm just going to be repeating the same steps on the other eye. Now that I'm done with that, on top of like the silver eyeshadow, she has it looks a little glittery. So I'm going to be taking the LASplash Tiara eyeliner. So it's eyeliner with glitter on it. So it makes the process of applying glitter a lot less messy and easier. Now for my waterline, I'm going to be applying the Marc Jacobs Grapevine pencil liner. I seriously love these eyeliners because you don't have to worry about having to sharpen them. And right now I'm just smoking out the outside of my waterline with the same purple that I have on my crease. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And for my lashes, I'm using the Lilly Lashes Mykonos lashes. If you guys haven't even caught on by now, obviously, this is my favorite style of lashes. I wear them in every single tutorial, every single picture I post. It's rare when I switch it up because they are just my absolute favorite. While the glue dries up, I'm just gonna move on to my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be going in with the Chocolate Dip Brow by Anastasia. This is obviously chocolate, so it's a darker brown, but I'm pretty much, well, I try to be, at least really light-handed with the product, because with eyebrow gels, you just really want to be light-handed because a little bit goes a long way, and once you have a lot, it is so hard to take it off. So it's easier to add on versus having to take off. For my lips, I'm going to be starting with the Makeup Forever 501 Liquid Lipstick. And then I'm going to be adding a lip gloss over it, which is going to be the Fantabulous Lip Glass, or Dazzle Glass, by MAC. To finish it off, I'm just going to be spraying my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And after this step, we are all set. Thanks for watching, guys.